Welcome to the Sigenergy Controller display explanation. This video will go over what each icon indicates, their statuses, and the different flashing patterns. At the completion of this video, you'll be able to look at the display and quickly understand what state the system is in. Starting at the top icon, this is the signal indicator. It will give you the status of your network connection. This could be Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or the cellular kit. Going clockwise, the icon with a sine wave is the AC indicator. This will indicate the grid connection status. The next icon below the AC icon is the DC charger icon, known as the V2X module. It will show the status of the charger. To the left of the V2X icon is the energy storage icon. This provides status on your batteries. The last icon to identify is the two parallel lines which represent the solar panels. This will provide status on your DC solar system connected to the Sigen controller. Now, let's review the statuses of each icon. We'll move through the same clockwise order again, starting with the signal icon. You'll notice that there are 5 different states for the signal indicator using 2 colors and blinking patterns. Starting at the top, a dark icon means there is no network connection. A flashing green light means the system is connected to the device's hotspot. You'll see this during commissioning or when setting up a new network. A solid green light means it's connected to the network. A solid blue light means it's connected to the 4G network. A flashing blue means there is not enough data for the Sigen call mod. The icon with the sine wave is the AC grid indicator. You'll notice that there are 7 different states using 5 colors and blinking patterns. Starting at the top, a white icon means the system is not connected to the grid, in standby, or powered down through the app. A solid green light means the controller is connected to the grid. A solid blue light means the system is currently off-grid. A dark icon means there is no grid voltage detected. A flashing blue means there was an off-grid overload. A flashing orange light means there is a grid fault. A solid red light means there is an inverter fault. For the V2X icon, you'll notice that there are 7 different states using 4 colors and blinking patterns. Starting at the top, a dark icon means there is no V2X module in the stack. A white light means it's on but the charger connector is unplugged. A solid green light means the charger connector is connected to the vehicle and has completed the charging session. A rapid blinking green light means the charging session is initializing. A slow blinking green light means it's currently charging. A solid orange light means there's an active alarm. A solid red light means there is an equipment failure. For the battery icon, you'll notice that there are 6 different states using 4 colors and blinking patterns. Starting at the top, a solid white icon means the batteries are connected but not being used. This is considered a standby state. You'll see this when the batteries are at 100% or at the backup reserve cutoff SOC. A blinking green light means the batteries are charging. A blinking blue light means the battery is discharging. A dark icon means there are no batteries or they are currently offline. A flashing red light means 1 or more battery packs have a fault. A solid red light means all battery packs have a fault. For the DC solar icon, you'll notice that there are 5 different states using 4 colors and blinking patterns. Starting at the top, a solid white icon means the solar is connected but not producing power. This is considered a standby state. There are a number of reasons for this, like if the system has an export limitation set and it is actively being limited. A solid green light means the solar system is producing power. If the icon is dark, there is no solar connected or the DC disconnect is turned off. A blinking yellow light means there is an active fault. This could be due to loose connectors, damaged PV modules, or birds. A solid red light means there is a fault on the inverter. This concludes the explanation of the controller icons. For additional videos relating to the SigenStor system, visit the video library. Thanks for watching.